Assalamu alaikum. How are you, everyone? Today we'll discuss some of the ideas and concepts important in this worksheet, which is very important in this worksheet. Question number one: what is the volume of the following shape? Of course, this shape is a rectangular prism. So to find the volume, we need to multiply length by width by height. So we multiply 5 by 4 by 4. So to find the volume, we multiply 5 by 4 by 4. 5 multiply 4 equals 20. Now 20 multiply 4 equals 80. So the answer 80 inch squared. 80 inch cubed, I'm sorry. So the answer is A. What's the volume of the following shape? Same idea. Here we have the same idea. But here we have area of the base multiply height. So because area of the base represent the length multiply width. So here, the area of the base, which represent the length multiply width by the height. So we multiply 64 by 4. Multiply 4. 4 multiply 4 equals 16. 4 multiply 6 equals 24 plus 1, 25. So the answer is A, 256 centimeter cubed. Question number 3. A rectangle prism has a volume of 450 cubic inches. If the height of the prism is 9 inches and the length is 10, what is the width of the prism? As you know, the volume is equals the length multiply the width and the height. But now we don't have the width, but we have the volume. So multiply the length by the height and divide the answer by the volume. So 9 multiply 10 equals 90. Now we divide 90 by 450. How we divide 90 by 450? We can simplify 0 with 0. Now 45 divide 9 equals 5. So the width will be 5 inches. Now question number 4, 16 kilometers equal how many meters? First of all, we should know each kilometer, 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. So 16 kilometers equal 1,000 meters, 16,000 meters. So because we change from a big or a large unit to small unit, we need to multiply. So we multiply 16 by 1,000. So 16,000 meters we multiply by 1,000. We add 3 zeros. So the answer is A. Number 5. 7 meters, how many centimeters? Now we know that a meter, 1 meter equals 100. You need to know the factor, the conversion factor between meter and centimeter. Now 1 meter equals 100 centimeter. So 7 meters equal 700 centimeter. So the answer is C. Now evaluate the following expressions. Now in this case, I need to use the order of operations. We use what we call PEMDAS. So first we start by parentheses. Here we have 4 multiplied 3 equals 12. Now we have other grouping symbol, which is brackets. Now we do this, 12 minus 12 equals 0. So now we have 0 plus 19 equals 19. So the answer is C. Next question. Now, what is the ordered pair for point P? Now, where's point P? Here's point P. First of all, we should note that it is on the x-axis, so the y should be 0 here or this. So now from the 0, how many steps we move? How many units we move to the right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's 4 and it's on the x-axis, so the y should be 0. So the answer C. Now question number 8. What's the name of the point located at 1, 5? How I find it? 1, 5. So the first number represents the x and second number represents the y. So I go like this. From the origin, I go 1 to the right and 5 up. 5 up. From here, I'm sorry, I go 1 right and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is n. Now, so 1, 5 is n. Point n. What's the ordered pair of 4 point S? Now let me go to point S. Here's point S. Here. Now, and the x coordinate of S, here I go to the x-axis, it's 5. And the y coordinate is 5. From the point itself, I go to the x-axis at 5. And the y-axis, it's 5. So it's 5, 5. So S is 5, 5. What is the ordered pair for point X? I go again for point X. Where's point X? Here. From the point X, I go to the x-axis, it's 4. I go to the y-axis, it is 3. So 4, 3, 4, 3. I choose, the answer is B. Now, question number 11. What's the name of the point located at 0, 3? 0, 3. So the x is 0, so it's located on the y-axis. Always, guys, any point on when the x is 0, it's on the y-axis. So I go to point which is located on the x, on the y-axis, and its y is 3. 0, 3. So I go here. 0. So I don't move right, just I move up 3. So it is M. It is M. So 0, 3 is M. Now, next question. Which of the following places is located at 3, 3? I go to the origin. I go to 3 to the right, the x coordinate, and I go 3 up. It's observation tower. Observation tower. So number 12 is observation tower. Now next question. Nurhan and Ala each have coin collections. Nurhan starts with 25 coins in her collection and adds 15 coins each month. So she starts with 25 and 15 each month. Ala starts with 40 coins in her collection and adds 15 coins each month. How much coin Nurhan and Ala can save after 4 months? Here we have a table. Here in the first month, we have 15, 25 plus 15. She will have 40. Then plus 15, 55. plus 15, 70, plus 15, 85. Now here, 40, plus 15, 55, plus 15, 70, plus 15, 85, plus 15, 100. So look at the choices. I want 85 and 100. So the answer is D. From the table, I can now get the answer is D. Question number 15. Which expression represents the following calculation? Add means plus 32 to 68. So here I have to add them. And then multiply by 13. So multiply, either we have multiply or brackets. So here, look at B, 32 plus 68 multiply 13. The only choice here. Why don't we choose A? Because with A, if we choose A, this means we multiply first. So it is B. Because we have brackets, this means we have to add first. Next question. Nurhan and Ada each have a piggy bank. Nurhan starts with 15 in her bank and puts in 8 each week. Ala starts with 20 in her bank and also puts 8 in each week. Complete the table to show how much money each has saved after 5 weeks. The same question we have done before, so we can skip it. Classify the triangle according to sides and angles. As you know, according to the sides, we have, if we have 3 equal sides, equilateral. If we have 2 equal sides, isosceles, and no equal sides, scalene. And angles, we have right. If we have one right angle, like this case, and we have obtuse, if we have one obtuse angle, and we have acute, which is all angles are acute. Now, according to the sides, no equal sides, so it's scalene. So either this, it's scalene. I choose this. I choose this because it's scalene and right. Scalene and right. Look, this sign means that it's right triangle. Now, next question. Which of the following shapes is a parallelogram? Now, as you know, parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. So this oval, this trapezoid, this rectangle. By the way, the rectangle is part or special kind of parallelogram. Next question. Which of the following is a quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel lines? Quadrilateral with one pair, only one pair. Remember this word, only one pair of parallel sides, it means a trapezoid. Look at this trapezoid. This pair, parallel. The drawing is not nice. I can show you another one. Here, look. Here. I can show you a trapezoid from these shapes. Here, this trapezoid. Look, only one pair of parallel sides. So it's trapezoid. It's what? Trapezoid. So the answer is A. Number 18, the answer is A. Number 19, the cost to rent a bicycle, as we can erase this. The cost to rent a bicycle is 15 plus 9 per hour. So the first of all, you need to pay 15 plus 9 each hour, which expression shows how you could calculate the total cost to rent a bicycle for 5 hours. So 5 hours, it means 5 multiply 9 plus 15. So first you have to pay 15, then you add to this 9 times 5. So this is the, because here we have plus, 15 plus. Now 9 per hour. Per means multiply. Multiply how many hours? Multiply how many hours? Of course, we have 5 hours. Okay, so we choose this. Classify the triangle according to the angles. Now, because we have one angle greater than 90, so it's obtuse triangle, obtuse triangle. So any angle is greater than 90, it's obtuse. And the triangle can have only one obtuse angle, so we call it obtuse triangle. So question number 20, obtuse triangle. Not right, because right triangle, it means 90. Now, next question. True, false. Question number 21. Choose the true or false. Choose true or false. The following triangle is a scalene right triangle. Look, 110. So it's obtuse. It's obtuse. And it's not scalene because we have two equal sides. What do we call it? Isosceles. So it's false. Next question. The following shape is rhombus. No. Rhombus has 4 equal sides and this trapezoid. So it's false. Next question. A square has 4 right angles, 4 equal sides. Yes, of course. Square, you know the square. 4 equal sides, 4 right angles. True. And a parallelogram, each two opposite sides are parallel and equal. Yes, true. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral, opposite sides are parallel and equal in length. The following triangle is isosceles. Isosceles means it has 2 equal sides and right at the same time. So this sign, it means it's right, this 90. And we have 2 sides, this 7 inches and this 7 inches. This means it's isosceles and right, 2 equal sides and 1 right angle. Now, short answers. Convert 0.4 kilometers to meters. To change from kilometer to meter, you multiply by 1,000. If you multiply by 1,000, you just move the point to the right 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So we add 2 zeros. It becomes 4, 0, 0. It's 400 meters. Now evaluate the following expression. I start by parentheses. 12 minus 3 is 9. Now I have divide and plus, but divide is before adding, so 45 divide 9 equals 5. Now 5 plus 7 equals 12. Let me check again. 12 minus 3, 9. 45 divide 9, 5. 5 plus 7 equals 12. Now last question. Find the volume of rectangular fish pond with base area 40 and height 9. As I mentioned, the volume equals length multiply width multiply height, or area of the base times height. So 40 times 9. So when we have 0, we ignore the 0. 4 times 9, 36. I'm sorry. And we put the 0, 360 meter cubed, because it's volume, so the unit is cubed. Don't forget the unit, cubed. By this, we come to the end of the video. If you like the video, don't forget to click on the like, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you very much.